In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice pitch in Audacity. This is by far the easiest, fastest, and most straightforward method to adjust pitch, ensuring your audio sounds just the way you want it to. To get started, open Audacity and import the audio file you wish to modify. This could be anything from a podcast episode, a recorded interview, or even a song. Once your audio is loaded, you'll need to decide whether you want to change the pitch of the entire track or just a specific portion. You can do this by either selecting the whole track or highlighting a specific section with your mouse. It's entirely up to you, depending on your project needs. Next, it's time to explore the Effects menu at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find a variety of tools that Audacity offers to enhance your audio. From this menu, select the Pitch and Tempo option. This will bring up a secondary menu where you'll want to choose Change Pitch. This option is instrumental in directly altering the pitch of your selected audio without impacting its tempo. Within the Change Pitch panel, you'll see a frequency adjustment slider presented with a blue icon. This slider is your main tool for pitch modification. If you drag it to the left, the pitch of your selected audio will decrease, resulting in a lower sound. Conversely, dragging it to the right will increase the pitch, giving you a higher sound. Keep in mind, adjusting the pitch will affect not only the voice, but also any instruments within the audio. If your goal is to change only the voice pitch, you might want to remove the instrumentals first. We actually have a separate video guiding you through the process of vocal isolation, which might be useful in this scenario. Once you've tinkered with the slider and are satisfied with the pitch adjustment, simply click Apply. Audacity will then process your changes, and voila! You've successfully altered the pitch of your audio or voice. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to change voice pitch in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be among the first to know when we upload new tutorials. Also, tap the bell icon so you're always notified when we have more great content ready for you. Thank you for watching and happy editing.